Hello friends, in this lecture we will study about the resolution of resultant force. So what is the resolution of resultant force? Let us see this statement, meaning of this statement. So it is the process of splitting up the given forces in a number of components without changing its effect on the body is called the resolution of force. So from the figure we can see that the force F is acting at an angle theta with the horizontal direction. So if we are resolving this force F into two components, that will be in the horizontal direction and that will be in the vertical direction. The component of x, the component in the x direction will be the f cos theta, and when the force is acting in the y direction, f sin theta will be act. So with respect to this concept, we can resolve the forces into the two directions that are mutually perpendicular to each other. So for the method of resolution for the resultant forces, first of all we have to resolve all the forces in the horizontal direction are the we have to find the algebraic sum of all the forces in the summation of horizontal component. जितना भी आपका horizontal component में force act करेगा उसको हमें पहले सम लेना है. उसके बाद आपको हमें रिजॉल्व करना है जो फोर्स आपका वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में लगेगा उसको हमें रिजॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. तो रिजॉल्विंग ऑल द फोर्सेस इन द वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन एंड देन वी विल फाइंड द algebraic sum of all the forces. After that, after getting the value of horizontal and vertical component value, we will find the resultant. So for finding the resultant of this component, we will use the formula under root summation of h squared plus summation of v square. That will give you the resultant of these two forces. Now if you have to find the angle, ये जो आपका एंगल है ये आपका अननोन है, इसको फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग tan theta is equal to summation of v by summation of h, हम वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट और हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट को के रेशियो को हम जब कंसीडर करेंगे तो आपका ये tan theta का वैल्यू आएगा. So from there we can easily calculate the value of tan theta. So based on this concept, let us do this numerical. So what is the statement of this problem? Here it is saying that a triangle ABC has its side AB is 40 mm. Here side AB is 40 mm along positive x-axis. From the figure we can easily observe that 40 mm force is acting at the point B, that is in positive x direction, and at the point B, at the point C, a 50 Newton force is acting along the positive y-axis, and the length of this side is 30 mm and 40 mm. Three forces 40 Newton, 50 Newton and 30 Newton are acting along the sides AB, BC and CT respectively. So we have to determine the resultant of such a system of forces. So how could we find? So here we can see this figure. The length of the line AB is equal to 40 mm, है ना? And line of the length of this line BC is equal to 30 mm. So easily we can find the length of this line AC. AC को find करने के लिए this is the hypotenuse from the right angle triangle concept. We can write here under root base square plus p square is equal to h. ये आपका लेंथ फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के थ्रू इसको हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो आपका जो है अंडर रूट 30 स्क्वायर प्लस 40 स्क्वायर इज टू आपका जो आप इसको सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे तो आपका ये आएगा, आपका जो 50 वैल्यू आना चाहिए, है ना. नाउ आफ्टर दैट if we have to find the value of sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here the value of P is 30 mm and the value of AC is we got 50 mm. So we will get the value of sin theta is equal to 0.6. Similarly, we will find the value of cos theta. Value for finding the value of cos theta, we can use the formula cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and here the base is equal to 40 by 50. 40 by 50 we will get the 0.8. Again again we have to find the summation of horizontal components. So from figure we can see that at the point B 40 Newton force is acting in the positive x direction, and at the point C there is no force is acting at the positive x direction. And similarly if we are observing at the point A, the 30 Newton force is acting at an angle theta. So this force will be resolved into two components. First one is the 30 cos theta and 30 sin theta that will be acting in the negative y direction. So after getting the values, we will find the summation of all the forces that are acting in the horizontal component. So finally we got the 40 minus 30 cos theta, and we got the value for cos theta is equal to 0.8. The value of cos theta is equal to 0.8. So 40 minus 0.8 is equal to, you will get the 16. What you will get? You will get the value is 16. Here 16 is there. Now again, if we are resolving the same forces in the vertical component, so from the figure we can see that uh, from the figure we can see that 40 newton here, 50 newton force is acting in the vertical y-axis, in the vertical y-axis, and at the point 8 the force 30 newton is acting at an angle, at inclined and angle theta. So the 30 newton will be resolved into two components. First one is the 30 cos theta and 30 sin theta. So vertical component will be considered for the calculation. So 50 minus 30 sin theta is equal to, 50 minus 30 sin theta is equal to, we will get 50 minus 30 into 0.6, that will be 32 newton. So for finding the resultant of this two horizontal and vertical component, we can write here under root sigma h square plus summation of v square. This is summation of h square plus summation of v square. So here we got the summation of h equals to 16. Here we will square plus square the term 16 whole square plus 32 whole square, that will be 35.8 newton. This is the result. This is the resultant of these two forces that is acting at an angle theta with the horizontal and vertical components. So I hope that you all have understood the content of the this lecture. Further we will move with the another topic. Thank you.